Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to create a PDF with multiple pages in Adobe Acrobat? Whether you are combining several documents, merging images into one PDF, creating a report, building a portfolio, or organizing scanned pages, Adobe Acrobat makes it easy to create a professional multi-page PDF. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to make a multi-page PDF in Adobe Acrobat in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open Adobe Acrobat, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. From the home screen, select see all tools, or see all tools and then combine files, or tools and then combine files. This tool allows you to merge multiple files into one PDF. Combine files is the fastest way to create multi-page PDFs. Okay, so add your file, click add files, okay, and then select the files you want to include, for example PDF documents, Word files, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, JPG images, scanned documents. Okay, arrange the page order, review the imported files, drag and drop items into the order you want. Okay, for example, cover page, introduction, main content, appendix, contact page. Okay, so the order shown here becomes the order of pages in the final PDF. Combine the files. Once everything is arranged correctly, click combine. Adobe Acrobat will merge the files into a single multi-page PDF. Okay, so depending on file size and page count, this may take a few moments. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.